Cherished child, you are a child of God, and I have personally chosen and called you by name with a specific purpose in mind. The plan I have for your life isn't random or accidental, rather, it is purposefully designed to bring good into every situation, even if you are feeling lost or discouraged right now and are unsure of what lies ahead. Remember that I have called you when the path seems unclear to you. Trust that I can see it clearly. I am holding your hand, guiding you every step of the way, and infusing life into every aspect of your present and future. Pay close attention as the Lord shares from His heart. The message has the capacity to completely change you, boosting and leading your soul in ways you never would have thought possible. Accept this time and let His message profoundly influence and revitalize your life despite your worries and misgivings. Know that I am right there with you. My light is piercing through even the darkest corners of your mind, driving away fear and replacing confusion with clarity. So cling to me, hold on to my love, for I am the one who will never leave you or abandon you. Because of my Son Jesus, you are forever secure in my grip. No uncertainty, no broken dreams, and no fear of what's to come can separate you from my love. I am with you in every moment, every challenge, and every victory when the road ahead feels uncertain. And when the future seems overwhelming, place your trust in me, believe in my promises, and allow me to lead you gracefully to where you need to be. I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future even when you can't see how everything will come together. Trust that I am working behind the scenes, orchestrating every detail for your good. I see the bigger picture even when you don't. You are not alone. I am walking with you, guiding you and protecting you. I am the anchor in your storm, the light in your darkness, and the strength in your weakness. When fear tries to take hold and doubts whisper lies, remember my promises. I am with you and I will never leave you. Though your journey may have its twists and turns, I am the constant, unwavering presence in your life during times of uncertainty. When it feels like the world is falling apart around you, hold fast to me. Let my peace, which surpasses all understanding, guard your heart and mind. Trust in my perfect timing, for I am never late and my plans are always flawless. You are in my hands and nothing can take you away from me. Rest in the knowledge that I am with you, guiding and leading you toward the fulfillment of the purpose I have designed for you. When faced with uncertainty or fear of the future, remember that I have chosen you for this very moment, and I will see you through it. Trust in me, believe in my promises, and let me guide you to the place I have prepared for you. You are never alone because I am always by your side. If you believe that God is with me, the Spirit of the Lord is speaking words of encouragement and affirmation to someone who has been struggling with feelings of insecurity or self-doubt. This message is a potent reminder that you are more than capable of fulfilling the divine purpose that has been placed within your heart. Do not allow the nagging voice inside you. This is a critical time for God because He is opening doors to tremendous opportunities that you may have previously believed were out of your reach. Prepare yourself for an abundance of supernatural blessings that will rock your world. Something extraordinary is being released to you right now. All you have to do is keep moving forward in faith. Rekindle your sense of excitement and anticipation. Remember that you are not traveling through this journey alone. The Lord is actively working to overcome the obstacles you face. He has even assigned angelic beings to come alongside you and provide assistance. Release the burdens of stress, and you have persevered in faithfully serving God during times of trial and uncertainty. Now, the curtain is about to rise, revealing the true greatness that the Lord has placed within you. Get ready to step into a new level of anointing and authority as the Lord is about to powerfully endorse you. Soon, Everyone will witness the divine potential that has been cultivated within you all, and this season will be characterized by an unparalleled rise in success. As you read these lines, any residual fears will be astounded by the forces that have been set in action to actualize your ultimate good. Concerns, traumas, when your limiting beliefs and negative patterns are transformed into what serves your highest and most genuine good. Are you ready to receive what God has in store? If yes, then type 555 to represent your openness and receptivity to the benefits that are going to come your way. The day is coming when the Lord will launch you into a new era of abundant influence and kingdom effect. The limelight is about to shift in your direction, darling, and now is your moment to shine. Seize the moment, as you are about to make a significant advancement. Learn about the Brain Waves Wealth Code, a life-changing tool that can transform your financial struggles into abundance. By activating this special code, you can change your perspective and effortlessly attract prosperity. The impact on your life will be profound, bringing in a new era of financial well-being and freedom from financial worries. Use the link in the comments to take advantage of this incredible opportunity to activate your genetic wealth code and unleash the possibility of infinite wealth. It will allow you to alter your financial destiny. The Lord sees you, God's child, and He is fully aware of the suffering and anguish you are going through. He sees the silent tears that fall when the room is quiet and the way your heart aches as night approaches. In those dark and hopeless moments when you feel like you are drowning in your troubles, know that the Lord has not forgotten you. He is constantly present and constantly watching over you with eyes of unending love and compassion. Though life's storms may rage all around you and the waves of adversity threaten to drag you beneath, the Lord reaches out His hand to steady you and raises you out of the raging waters. He is your steadfast anchor, your steady refuge in times of trouble when it seems like the world has turned against you and you feel completely alone. He is about to step in and pull you out of the water to save you from the depths of your trials because He knows every tear you've shed and every burden you've carried. You can put your trust in Him because His love for you is complete and unconditional and that it will never fail or abandon you. God, the Lord, is rewriting your story. He is turning the page on the chapters that have caused you so much grief and despair. You have been reading and replaying those pages in an attempt to find a glimmer of hope, but it is time to let them go and give them to the Lord's loving hands. The Lord is saying to you, turn the page. I have a new story in store for you. For some, the Lord is giving them a brand new book and a chance to start over. A blank slate to write the next chapter of your life. For other people, He is revealing a brand new chapter and a surprising turn in the story that will take you to the lovely promised locations He has in store for you and other people. The Lord is arranging a change, a turning point that will alter your life's course entirely, as you have. The Lord has been watching you faithfully, noting your tenacity and your unshakable faith in Him. Now, child of God, the time has come for Him to act. The quiet is about to end and a new season of opportunity and breakthrough is about to begin. Dawning, so take a deep breath and draw from the well of strength the Lord has placed within you. Even though you may be exhausted and feel like you've reached your limit, the Lord is going to breathe new life into your weary and aching soul through this trial and adversity. This dark and wintry season it has not been for naught. No, the Lord has been working all things together for your good, guiding you ever closer to the destiny He has ordained for you. Do not lose heart, dear one. Do not succumb to the lie that the Lord has forgotten you or that He would ever forsake you in the end, for the Lord is faithful and He is true to His promises. He would never subject you to such trials and tribulations just to abandon you. No, He is preparing you, strengthening you, refining you, all for the purpose of ushering you into a place of profound victory and blessing. And one day, when you are living in the fullness of that victory, when you are basking in the glory of all that the Lord has accomplished in your life, you will look back and understand. You will see how every trial, every hardship, every tear shed has been a vital part of the journey leading you to the beautiful promised land that the Lord has in store. For the Lord has been observing you, child of God, and He has seen your faithfulness, your perseverance, your unwavering trust in Him, and now He is about to reward that faith with a second wind of opportunity, a chance to reclaim what was lost, to step into the destiny that has always been yours. The blocks have been removed, the path has been cleared. It is only upwards from here, an unstoppable acceleration towards the fulfillment of all that the Lord has spoken over your life. So be ready, child of God. For the Lord is about to do a new thing. He is about to turn the page, to unveil the next chapter, to orchestrate the plot twist that will catapult you into your season of victory. No more will you be replaying the same painful chapters, rereading the pages that have brought you such heartache. The Lord is closing that book, and He is handing you a new one that will be filled with the testimonies of His faithfulness, the stories of His unwavering love and provision. So lift up your head, dear one, and receive the second wind of opportunity that the Lord is sending your way. Embrace the acceleration that is about to take place, for the Lord is moving mightily on your behalf. He has not forgotten you, and He will never forsake you. The silence is about to end, and the Lord is about to make His presence known in a powerful, undeniable way. Trust in His timing, trust in His plan, and watch in awe as He rewrites your story, turning the page to reveal the next chapter of your destiny. For the Lord sees you, child of God. He sees your pain, He sees your heart, and He is about to touch down and pull you out of the water, leading you into the promised land of victory and blessing. Type 999 if you're prepared. God, I love you and thank you for watching and supporting our channel. I thank you for providing me life and happiness, and for leading me down the path of peace and salvation. Click the subscribe button to receive updates whenever new videos are released.